ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 213. In Bhashya, in the first paragraph which we saw yesterday, the karma namani means karmajani namani of Atma. What are they? Prana, Manaha, Chakshu, ityadi. In other words, Atma is known incompletely through some karma. Natu vastu matra vishayani. Vastu matra, third number tippani was said, chinmatra vastu swarupa pratyayakani na. Now you have to understand. So they are not revealing chinmatra vastu. Those names, prana, chakshu, shrotra, mana, etc., they are only giving partial idea of Atma. And such Atma evam hi asau Atma प्राणनादि क्रिया तत्तद क्रिया जनित प्राणादि नाम रूपाभ्याम व्याक्रियमाणो अवद्योतमानो अपि. It is known only in this way, through pranan kriya, through shrotra kriya, etc. Further now in Tika. Akritsna darshino api. So the discussion, if you remember how it started, Purva Pakshi said this is a prakrita topic, that there is no topic of darshanam. If you remember, this was said. So he said this is aprakrita, that Atma tam na pashyanti. So now, I mean 209 page number, it was given. Nanu. In Bhashya it was said aprapta pratisheda. So Bhashyakar explained that darshanam here is in the form of jnanam, and then that last sentence in Tika, avadyotyamano api na kritsno drishtaha. So darshanam is required, which is not happening in their case. Akritsa darshino api atmadarshitvam ashankyaha. Now somebody says, okay, maybe they don't know Atma completely, but they know Atma. For example, if Chaitra is walking and you see Chaitra from far, you see only his face. Somebody will ask you, did you see Chaitra? What will you say? You will not say, I have not seen him completely, so I cannot say I have not seen him. You see little, you say, yes, I have seen him. So here also, Akritsna darshinaha api atmadarshitvam. They are still the knowers of Atma. Iti ashankyaha. Sa yo ato asmad prananadi kriya samudayat ekaikam prana chakshuriti va vishishtam अनुपसंहृत इतर विशिष्ट क्रियात्मकम मनसा अयम आत्मा इति उपास्ते चिंतयति न स वेद न स जानाति. सह यह, anybody who, सह यह when they say anyone, अतः अस्मात्, अतः मीन्स अस्मात्, प्राणनादि क्रिया समुदायात. So certain words are there from the mantra. Sa, yaha, ataha. These three are from the mantra. Asmat, ataha means asmat. Prananadi kriya samudayat. Ekaikam pranah chakshuhu itiva. In this way, pranam chakshuhu itiva. Vishishtam anupasamhrita itara vishishta kriyatmakam. Vishishta in which other vishishtas upasamhara is not done. Guna upasamhara I explained. So Vishishtam Anupasamhrita Itara Vishishta Kriyatmakam. The other Vishishta Kriya Upasamhara is not done. There where such knowledge of Atma, Manasa Ayam Atma iti upaste, upaste chintayati. Vidya Sutra is coming now. Na sa Veda, na sa janati. He doesn't know. You know, it is like when you are going by train and some big station is going to come. So they already say, oh, this is going to come. So Bhashakar is using this. Atmetyavopasita is the Vidya Sutra. So he starts using those shabdas now in Tika. Atmopasituhu Atmadarshana Asatvam Ayuktam. Atmadarshana Asatvam Ayuktam. Iti Shankitva Pariharati. In Moolam, there is one word. Sa na sa janati Brahma. He doesn't know Brahma. So the one who is doing Atma Upasana means Atma Chintanam. So Upasita here you should understand as Chintanam. Means it is for Jnanam. Atma Darshana Asatvam. He has actually not gained Atma Darshanam. Who? The one who does Akritsna Upasanam, Akritsna Chintanam. Is Ayuktam. Purvapakshi says that is not true. It should not be the case. Iti Shankitva Pariharati. Kasmat. Why? Because Akritsnaha Asamasto Asmat. Eshahav Atma. Asmat Prana Samudaya. Because from the Samudaya he knows only one aspect. Ataha Pravibhakta Ekaikena Visheshanena Vishishta Itara Dharmantara Anupasamharat Bhavati. Therefore, Bhavati Kaha Atma. How this Atma becomes Pravibhaktaha. That Atma becomes divided. And how it is Ekaikena Visheshana Vishishtaha. With one Visheshan only. Like Pranana Kriya Karta Prana. Darshana Kriya. Karana Vyutpatti or Drashta you can say. Similarly, Shrotra or Shrota. In this way, only one Visheshana is there. Complete knowledge is not there. Why? Because Itara Dharmantara Upasamhara is not done. Itara Dharmantara Anupasamharat Vishishtaha Bhavati. Tika. Tasmad Vishishtatmadarshi na Brahmatmatvadarshi iti Sheshaha. So certain things you can underline like this. Vishishtatmadarshi. Because he knows only Vishesha. Atma or Brahma is Nirvishesha. If I know it as some Vishesha, either with my Upadhi or with anybody's Upadhi, whatever that, if I have identified that Brahma associated with that Upadhi, that Jnanam is not going to liberate me. This I should know. Means I am not knower of Atma. I am the knower of Vishesha Atma, means Savishesha Atma. I am Vishishta Atma Darshi, not Brahmatma Tattva Darshi. Iti Sheshaha. Next line. Upastir Jnanam. upaste iti janati. This also you should note. Many times people who study Bradaranyaka, they think Atmetya Upasita is Upasana. Because all along Upasana has been going on. It is not Upasana. It is Jnana Prakarana now. So Bhashya Tikakar says, Upastihi Jnanam. उपास्ते इति जानाति न स्वभावात् उपासनम इति उक्तत्वात्. Uktatvat, it is given in Vartik. See, the number is also given 14688. Vartika they have not given, but it is more or less this idea which is given here. I will read it to you. Tatraivam satiyo drashta prananadikriyam param upasta iti janati na swabhavad upasanam. So that na swabhavad upasanam janati na swabhavad upasanam na janati. So the and meaning is also given. Tatra evam sati means that being the case, yo drashta, whoever knows this and worships this Atma, means knows this Atma as performer of one of the activities like prananadi kriya, and if he does upasanam, na janati, upasteti janati na swabhavad upasanam, means swabhavatah upasanam na janati. Essentially, the nature he doesn't know of Atma. So that Vartika is quoted. Now you see, Anand Giriji has written Tika on Vartika also. So Anand Giriji has pretty much used the same language. And if you study Bradaranyaka and Vartik like parallel, you will see Vartik shlokas, unless Sureshwaracharya goes in his own vichara, they will be matching with Bhashya. And the Tika on Bhashya and Tika on Vartika also will be matching. As long as if Sureshwaracharya ji takes some topic and explains elaborately, then it will be, because it is Ukta, Anukta also. Vartik will have Anukta topics also. And then sometimes he will explain multiple meanings of the same mantra using Madhyandina interpretations also. But otherwise, Anand Giriji's work you can see parallel. Tathacha Janan na janati iti vyahati iti ashankyaha. Then somebody will say, but he knows and he doesn't know also. This is vyahati vadato vyagata iti ashankyaha yavad iti. Yavad ayam evam veda pashyami shrunomi sprushami iti va swabhava pravritti vishishtam veda tavat anjasa kritsnam atmanam na veda. As long as somebody knows Atma as aham pashyami, shrunomi, sprashami, etc., this is swabhava pravritti vishishta Atma. Then tavad anjasa kritsnam atmanam na veda. He does not know Atma completely. 5 number tippani says tatvatah sakshat iti va. In different way also you can say, see, ayam ghataha. So ghato asti, asti prakashate is here also. So satchit is in all these, right? Asti bhati priyam. So asti is there, bhati is there. This knowledge is not liberating knowledge. This knowledge is only for chintanam. When this knowledge translates into I am that asti bhati and I am jagat karanam, only then it is liberating knowledge. Otherwise, it is good for chintanam, dhyanam. It is not liberating. तथा च, this is over. Akanksha purvakam. Now sutra avataranam is done. Akanksha purvakam vidya sutram avatarayati. So you note that down. Vidya sutram shabda has come here now. Because mantra will not say this is Vidya Sutra. Tikakara and Bhashyakars, they will say. 15 number tippani. Vidya Pratipadakam Sangraha Vakyam. Why it is called Sutra? It is not part of Brahma Sutra. Any Sangraha Vakya will be called Sutra. So here it is Sangraha Vakyam. You know Kenopanishad. On Kenopanishad, Bhashyakar has written two bhashyas. Why he has written two bhashyas? So Anand Giriji has explained. Not a single mantra of Kenopanishad is taken in Brahma Sutra for discussion. But Bhashyakar felt that it is important. And therefore, in Vakya Bhashya, he has analyzed Kenopanishad as analysis is done in Brahma Sutra. So what he has done, he has given Sangraha Vakyas. Those Sangraha Vakyas are sutras. Then that Vakya will be elaborated. Then next Sangraha Vakya will come, that will be elaborated. So that's why this Vidya Pratipadakam Sangraha Vakyam is Sutra. Katham iti. Katham punaha Pashyan Veda ityaha. Then earlier you said they don't know. So then who will know? Pashyan Veda Katham. How can you say, how can we say he actually knows now? Ityaha Atma iti eva. आत्मेति प्राणादीनि विशेषणानि यानि उक्तानि तानि यस्य स आप्नुवन्स् तानि आत्मा इति उच्यते स तथा कृत्स्न विशेषो उपसंहारी सन् कृत्स्नो भवति. This is full thought process. Means earlier it was akritsnaha. So now how will it become krishna? Means how someone can say I know Brahma, I am Brahmatma Tattvadarshi. So this is how. Atma iti pranadini visheshanani yani uktani. Prana, Chakshu, Shrotra, Manaha, all these visheshanas which were given. Tani yasya. These visheshanas belong to which visheshya? That visheshya, Atma, Saha, Apnuvans. Tani Atma iti uchyate. The one who has these visheshanas, that visheshya is real Atma. Apnuvan, in Tippanikar said, Vyapnuvan. Vyapnuvan means that in which all these visheshanas are pervading. Sa tatha Krishna Vishesha Upasamhari. So then that Vishesha is the one in which all Visheshanas are merging. So how I should understand? In this way. Not only for me, this Upadhi. For all Upadhis, Visheshanas should merge. Means if Chaturmukha is Brahma and I am Atma, then that Upadhi is also my Upadhi. That Visheshana is also, its Upasamhara also should happen in Atma, means in me. If Indra Sharira has any Upadhi, that Visheshana also is my Visheshana. That Atma I am. Then only Ya Brahmadi Pipilikanta Tanushu Prota Jagat Sashini. That will happen. In Upadesha Sahasri, in one shloka, it is given this Brahma, Indra, all their shariras are my shariras. Mama Puhu, Pur Pratipadika is used. They are my shariras. So chintanam should not be that I am not pranana kriya karta or darshan kriya karta, shravana kriya karta. I am everybody, but that also I am still holding on to one upadhi only. That also has to go. That much chintanam when I can do, then I should understand, now I know Atma completely. That is Krishna. Otherwise, it is incomplete only. One Deha Vishishta Atma is Akrishna. Tatra Vyakhyayam Padam Adatte Atma iti. Tad Vyachaste Pranadini. Tasmin Drishte Intika. Tasmin Drishte Purvokta Dosha Rahityam Darshayati. So when that Atma is known, then Purvokta dosha is not there. Purvokta dosha is akrishna darshanam. That is not there. Tat tat visheshana vyapti dvarena iti yavat. How it will happen? Tat tat visheshana vyapti. Each visheshana is vyapta. In this way, when I understand, means of all upadhis. Katham tattad vishesha upasamhari tena tena atmana tishtan krishna syat tatra. Katham means how, tattad vishesha upasamhari, how all those visheshanas, when they are taken up, tena tena atmana tishthan. So with all those visheshanas, that Atma, Krishna syat, how will it become complete when all the visheshana upasamhara is done? वस्तु मात्र रूपेण ही प्राणादि उपाधि विशेष क्रिया जनितानि विशेषणानि व्याप्नोति. वस्तु मात्र रूपेण means chinmatra rupena, how it was said earlier. Pranadi upadhi vishesha kriya janitani visheshanani. Pranadi upadhi, they are the upadhis. Upadhi vishesha kriya is there. Kriya janita visheshana. Out when certain kriya is done, pachana kriya he is doing, he is called pachakaha. Let us say he leaves that and he starts singing, then he will be gayakaha. Now he is no more pachakaha. So तत्त विशेष क्रिया जनित विशेषण, all of those when they are understood as vastu matra is there and those visheshanas are vyap, means it is vyapta in all visheshanas. Vastu matra rupena vyapnoti. Tippani you see 9 number now. Vang manasa atitena akarya karanena pratyak bhutena ityarthah. Vastu matra means what? Vang manasa atita. Anything if I am objectifying as something and say, I know, that is not it. You are that. Any other idea is wrong. This is why that other day when I was saying between jnanam and dhyanam, this is a good time to explain a little bit. Jnanam is I am Brahma. Dhyanam is I am doing dhyanam of Brahma. Right? If I am doing dhyanam of Brahma, then who am I? A Brahma. Because the one who is doing dhyanam is not Brahma. Only then he will say, no, I want to meditate on Brahma. Who wants to meditate? Ahankara. So dhyanam is when I have not understood I am Brahma. When I have understood I am Brahma, then it is not dhyanam. That vritti will remain. You don't create that vritti, but viparita vritti will not come or should not come. This is what I should understand. So between jnanam and dhyanam, always this confusion will be there. while I am pursuing jnanam, I am pramata. But in that jnanam process, pramata should become badhita. Like bhagatyaga, what we call. So then you have to leave that. In dhyanam also, if I can do that, means after this jnanam, if my mind is not staying there and I say, okay, I will do some dhyana, as long as it becomes vang manasa vishaya, it is not remaining atita, then it will become not dhyanam. I am becoming ahankara. When I understand that I am, so if I remind myself, I am not dhyana karta. This is what is said in Panchadashi in the first chapter. Dhyatra dhyane parityaja. You have to give up the bhava that I am dhyata. Dhyaya eka, that Dhyaya is Brahma. Dhyaya eka gocharam. This is samadhi. So then, dhyata bhava, first you reduce, then you do through karma upasana, then you do badha through jnana. That jnanam is superior to dhyanam where I remain as dhyata. If I can understand that dhyata is also to be negated, its badha should happen, dhyanam is working in that dhyana. So important is this jnanam part. More elaboration you yourself can do on this chintana, but this main point is this. And this is why many times sadhakas, they feel why they are giving more importance to jnanam. More importance should be given to dhyanam. If that was the case, all these gurukulas, they will be running dhyanam classes. They will not be running jnana classes. All the time they will have, chalo subah from 6:30 to 7:30, one dhyanam. Then another dhyanam. Then afternoon, there is no dhyana class. It is only for jnanam. If you didn't understand, again you do. In Vivarana Prasthana, Shravanam is Angi. This will also come in second chapter. Mananam and Nididhyasanam are Anga. See this tippani a little bit, we will see. Vang manasa atitena akarya karanena pratyak bhutena ityartha. Etena yachapnoti yadadatte yachati vishayaniha yachasya
Antato bhavaha tasmadatmeti kirti.
kirtyate. So it is Bhagavan Ved Vyasi's Vakya. It is in Purana, that's why it is given here. Vyasa Vakyokta Atma Shabdartho Darshito Bhavati. In other words, why this Uddharanam is given? When I say I know Atma, Apdr Vyapto Dhatu is there, I should understand this Vyapta. So that word is used there in the Tika, that's why Tippanikar is using that. In Bhashya, Vyapnoti. Yachapnoti is Vyapnoti. Atma in further in Tippani, Atme Tyevopasita iti atra Atma Shabdartha Uktaha. So each Shabda we should understand. Atma iti eva upasita. Those who studied Anubhuti Prakasha. So in this each word we saw Atma iti eva upasita. And on each Vidyaranya Swamiji will write shlokas. 8 shlokas for this, 12 shlokas for that, like that, to explain each thing. So here also he says, Atma iti eva upasita. If you have not studied, don't worry, here things will come. And those, if you have studied, it's a good refresher. Tasya shabda dhiyoho avishayatva dyotaka iti shabda. So see now, Atma shabda, how is it explained? Yachapnoti yadat. So he is following, Tippanikar is following either Anubhuti Prakasha, means he is following Vartik Sara. You can see that. And iti shabda तस्य शब्द धियो हो अविषयत्व द्योतक इति शब्दः तस्य आत्मनः आत्मा is not the vishaya of shabda and buddhi, means vang mana agochara. That is explained by the word iti. In this there will be purva paksha. I will just, we are trying to get a bigger picture. Iti shabda is used as upasana many times, like mano brahmeti upasita. So mano brahma iti. Whenever such iti comes, it is indicative of upasana prakarana. So some Purvapaksha will say here also iti is there. So why you are not taking this iti as upasana? And upasana and jnanam will see what much difference it makes. You will see on the next page. Suspense will come. Okay, so that is iti shabda. Sarvato vyavadhana abhava upalakshitam pratyak tattvam upasarga lakshyam. Upasita is there. So upa he gives in one line. Sarvato vyavadhana abhava upalakshitam pratyak tattvam. This is upa. And asita iti swarupavasthanam. See, asita means swarupavasthanam, means I am that, not that I am to meditate, I have to attain, no such thing. Swarupavasthanam. So atma iti eva, eva he didn't explain. Eva shabda is not given in Tippani, in Bhashya, etc. It will be explained. Upasita means upa and asita, they are given. Tathacha, so what is this samashti meaning of this vakya? Karya karana vilakshanam vang manasatitam kutastham pratyak tattvam anubhuya avikritaha san asita. This is the mukhya meaning. So swarupavasthanam natu atmani kachit vikriya iti vakyartha. Okay. See further now in this page is done. Next page. Right? Tika. Swato asya prananadi sambandhe, not prananadi, again, prananadi sambandhe sambhavati kim iti upadhi sambandhena ityaha. Swatah prananadi sambandhe sambhavati. So directly if this atma can have sambandha with prana, pranana kriya, then kim iti upadhi sambandhena. Upadhi sambandhena 6 number tippani uchyate. Okay. So why are you using the word upadhi? Upadhi means, what is the definition? Upa, no, not the Nyaya definition.
Upasamipe sthiti sriyan dharman adadati va adate vikaram vina.
So why do you say it is upadhi? See Bhashya. Tathacha vakshyati dhyayati iva lelayati iva iti. So it is upadhi because why dhyayati iva lelayati iva is given here? Pranana kriya is also eva only. It is not actual in Atma. So it is upadhi. Means don't think really Atma is doing pranana, shravana, darshana, ityadi. Atmani, tika, Atmani sarvopasamharavati drishte पूर्वोक्त दोष अभावात तम पश्यन एव आत्मदर्शी इति उपसंहरति. When in Atma सर्वोपसंहारवती आत्मनि सप्तमी, सर्वोपसंहार वाले आत्मा में दृष्टे, when that Atma is seen, then पूर्वोक्त दोष अकृत्स्न दर्शन is not there. Now Krishna darshanam is there. there is no anuswara after dosha. Dosha abhavat tam pashyan eva atmadarshi. Then the one who sees that, he is called atmadarshi. Iti upasamharati. Tasmad. In bhashya, tasmad atmetyevopaasita. Therefore, you should do atma chintanam. Tyakva देहात्म चिंतनम त्यक्त्वा अन्य सर्व चिंतनम स्वाध्यासापन यम कुरु आत्मेत्योपासीत. एवं इन भाष्य कृत्स्नो हि असौ स्वेन वस्तु स्वरूपेण गृह्यमाणो भवति. In this way, one, if they know, complete Atma will be known. I'm going to close this here, but I'm going to give you some prep. You see, in the next paragraph, in Bhashya, Atma iti eva upasita iti na apurva vidhi. So now whatever you have studied in Artha Sangraha is all going to come. Because Purva Pakshi will say, this can be taken as upasana, it is not apurva vidhi, etc. And then Shabdi Bhavana, Arthi Bhavana, all this topic will be coming now. Okay? So those who have studied, then they will know what is Shabdi Bhavana, Arthi Bhavana, ityadi. And what is Niyama Vidhi, Apurva Vidhi will be taken up first. I am preparing so that when you get time, just go through a little bit. Apurva Vidhi, then Niyama Vidhi. Then Siddhanti will say, in Jnanam there is no Vidhi. This also a Mukhya Siddhanta. In Jnanam we don't accept Vidhi. So therefore, in Jnana Sadhana, we can have Vidhi, like Shravanadi. But Darshana, Atma Jnanam does not need Vidhi. So this topic, all this will come. Sureshwaracharya ji, he takes Parisankhya Vidhi also. So you should know clearly these ideas. Tomorrow we'll begin from so this tika we completed. Atmani, Yathokta Atma Upasane Purvakta Dosha Abhave Praguktam Eva Hetum Smarayati. Atma Upasane Purvakta Dosha is not there. And what is the Hetu? That is given here. From Evam onwards we will see. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinaamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.